Hello and welcome to WindyCityWebcast.tv. I'm Ariel Schroeder here with the latest in tech news. Are you in a relationship on Facebook? Well, if this is the case, you're going to want to check this out. Facebook.com/us. It's a newly launched digital version of the relationship between you and your significant other. The profile includes posts, events, and photos that you're both tagged in. And it seems as if tweeting might need to become a sport. Well, that is at least for one NASCAR driver. Some are saying Brad Keselowski's Twitter action has gone way too far. Get this, 9 months ago, he became a social media favorite for tweeting from his car during an extended delay at February's Daytona 500. And then, again on Sunday, he tweeted from the track. This time, though, he was fined $25,000 by NASCAR. And OMG, it's not really what you would expect, but now, with a growing number of Americans actually carrying internet-connected smartphones, text messaging is on the decline. This past quarter, the average number of monthly texts sent by each user fell for the first time in U.S. history. This info comes from a report released by an independent telecommunications analyst. And speaking of messaging, Papa John's has been delivering more than just pizza. Customers nationwide have filed a $25 million class action lawsuit because they say the chain has sent out 500,000 unwanted spam texts. And some are saying they actually got 15 to 16 in a row in the middle of one night. And for gamers, the Halo 4 release is huge. During the first 24 hours of its release, the game is totaling sales with more than $220 million around the world. The game was developed exclusively for Microsoft's Xbox 360. And speaking of newly released games, Black Ops 2 is not just making headlines because it's fresh in the market. David Petraeus may have stepped down as CIA director because of the scandal surrounding his affair last week, but he's already been re-enlisted for active duty in another place. In Black Ops 2, in the year 2025, Petraeus will be the Secretary of Defense. He actually appears in a few of the scenes just released in the new game. And an executive shakeup at Microsoft. Head of the Windows division, Steven Sinofsky, is leaving the company. This news just comes right after the launch of Windows 8 last month. And if you're wondering, he was with the company since 1989, and at one point he actually served as technical advisor to former CEO Bill Gates. That's the latest in tech news. Be sure to check back right here next week at WindyCityWebcast.tv.